once again.
Apple Pencil along with the iPads will be available starting November 7th.